here that you can play with, right? So higher the chin, the more your nose is going to come out of the water, and then negative, the more it will stick, so you can play around with that. And you saw that the numbers, when they're gray, it means that the vehicle's in neutral, right? So nothing's going to happen. But then when you push on the start button and they go to blue, it's like you're in driving. So you got the two levers. On the right hand side, it's going to be to go forward, and on the left hand side, it's going to be for reverse. We got different drive modes, so we're going to go out and start in range, and we'll go around in range, and then the mode button is how you're going to be able to change the drive modes. So once we get out there, we can go into we can check out sport, and then there's also wild mode, which we can do a little. It's really a launch mode, so we can test that out at the end. Okay. All right. So.